I was sent this office chair with massage and heat to try out. So I've had the chance to put it to the test, and today I'll be sharing what I think. But before I go into the features, let me show you the installation process to kind of show you how to set it up. The process was pretty straightforward. You don't need special tool to use, it comes with everything you need to connect the pieces together. Overall, the process took us less than 30 minutes to complete, even as we worked at a comfortable pace without rushing. Here are the massager cords. One's for the power button and the other adjusts the settings. There's also this little pouch attached to the chair, which makes it easy to store everything away neatly. The heating massager is situated here. I find that if I recline it a bit, I can really feel the full effect of the massager. This is a well-built, great-looking chair. It holds up to 300 pounds, but my favorite part is the footrest. It's perfect for stretching my legs after sitting for a while, or when I recline the chair a bit to use the massager.